Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a chicken recipe made with boneless chicken or also can be made with chicken mince. It's a chicken side dish recipe which gets prepared quickly in less than 12 minutes. I hope you love this recipe of mine, so keep watching till the end. Here I've already heated a pan and into it I'm adding 2 tablespoons of ghee. This can also be made with oil or butter. Once the ghee is hot, I'm going to add a sprig of curry leaves and 1 finely chopped green chilli, allowing that to fry for few seconds, and then going to add 2 finely chopped onions. Now I have to fry these onions till they turn soft and change their color to light brown in color. Once the onions have changed their color, I'm adding a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and frying that till the raw smell of the ginger garlic paste is gone. Once the ginger garlic paste is cooked, I'm adding a cup of chicken keema or boneless chicken. Here I've cut the chicken into very small pieces. Now spread the chicken and saute it till it changes its color. Now you can see the chicken has changed its color and has started to release its juices. This is the right time to add the spices. Here I have taken 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of pepper powder and salt according to taste. Now give these spices a good mix and add it over the chicken. I'm also going to add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. This is store-bought tomato paste. If you do not have tomato paste, just puree 2 tomatoes and add over it. Now give the chicken a good mix till it is well coated with the tomato paste and the spices. Once the chicken is well coated with the spices, I'm going to add little water so that we can have the chicken cooked. I'm adding a total of handful of water, giving that a good mix. Now cover the pan and cook this chicken for 5 minutes on low flame. After 5 minutes, our chicken is well cooked. You can also see it has released its juices and fats. As you can see, the oil all floating on the surface of the chicken. Now I'm going to add 60 ml of very thin coconut milk to give a gravy or a curry like consistency. To enhance the flavor, I'm also adding 1 small finely chopped capsicum and a handful of coriander leaves. Here I have finely chopped the coriander leaves. Now we need to cook this for 1 minute so that the coconut milk thickens a little. If you find the chicken pieces are a little big, then you can just use your spatula and break them easily. Since the chicken is boiled or cooked, the chicken breaks easily when pressed with the spatula. After cooking this for overall 1 minute after adding the coconut milk, turn off the flame, garnish with some more coriander leaves and juice of half a lemon. Now cover the pan and allow it to rest for 2 minutes. The capsicum is going to turn soft in its own steam, and then after 2 minutes it's ready to serve. I hope you like this recipe of mine. If yes, please give a thumbs up and do consider clicking the subscribe button on my channel. Stay tuned for a next video coming soon. Stay blessed. Take care, stay safe.